Fonte not only grew up in Jamaica, but grew up in Vineyard Town.
I went to Wolmer's. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Vineyard Town. My
Wolmer's.
father, simple thing. All right, we move on. Plot twists
I was going to say something, but I'm not
and
gonna say.
complex characters are good formulas for a film. So in this morning's Fun Stop, Dales and I will create our own movie titles with the following scenarios given.
Yes, I like it.
The first one says, two inner city youth are caught in a web of lies as their new employer is not what it seems to be.
It's not what or he. It's not what he seems to.
So I must just
Two inner city youth are caught in a web of lies as their new employer is not what he seems to be.
have my name,
What name?
Deception.
That not
Can work?
It can work.
What do you say?
The wicked boss. I don't know what else to say. The wicked boss.
So Deception can work?
Yeah.
All right,
Deception is actually a very decent title.
Yeah, all right. Next one says, a former dancehall artist converts to Christianity, but can he run from his past when an unsolved murder has his name written all over it?
Oh, that's a nice log line. Can that make a great film? Wow.
What do you say?
Former dancehall artist converts to Christianity. Can he run from his past when an unsolved murder has his name written all over it?
What do you say?
Clive said crucified.
I said nowhere to hide.
Nowhere to hide. Sins of the past.
That, what you say? There's a movie that name, sir? I never know that. So it's my original, the first one. No, it's my original because I never know there are a movie named Nowhere to Hide. Hold on, all right, I will come up with another one.
Sins of the past.
Yeah. A former dancehall
Lost
artist.
in sin, tied to sin.
Marianne.
Jesus knows
No, it's a he. What can he run? It says, can he run? It's my friend, man. I just teased it there. It's my friend. So you said sins of the past. Don't know that area. The third one says, Shelly and Dave are top producers at a local television station, but find themselves falling for each other. You should have said.
Who the Shane
You should have said Daily
I
and
can't
Dave.
name it Shane and Can.
Will the new promotion find them on opposite sides?
That's my title.
What?
Keon and Shane.
I said love is real.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Behind the
I
scenes.
said behind the scenes.
Love behind the scenes. Love in BTS.
I said love is real.
Yeah, love at BTS.
So, performing arts student Janet Rowe drops out of school to take care of her ailing mom, but finds inspiration to start her own drama society club for a crime-ridden community.
Art and heart.
Wicked. I said the community.
Yes.
I said the community.
Yeah.
Art and heart.
Yeah.
You know, Jamaican people have much of that. They will say heart and heart. What else say? Where's the while ago? You say heart and heart. Which part of that you don't understand?
That's a good place to rescue us. We need to come off the screen.
No, one more.
One more?
An arrogant boss loses everything and is forced to move back in with her parents.
Time him out, Lord. Time him out. I do
I didn't
want.
call one name before. So
Yeah.
I actually think part of that is already true, Coulson. I said tough times. I also said don't burn your bridges, but you don't know. An arrogant boss loses everything and is supposed to move back in with her parents. No, as I said, part of that is already true, Coulson. Ow! What you say?
Drink coffee and mind my business.
Ah, come on.
Drink coffee and mind my business.
Ah, come on, man. As I said,
My mother always tell me, he's not a fish, don't make nobody bait and hook you. So,
I remember, as I say, oh, come on, I remember running on the beach when the reggae boys got up early because we were at this hotel and I'm running on the beach. I used to run the sun every morning. Get a little tired and I just lay down in one of the chairs. And I wake up and I look beside me. There's this elderly lady. I was on the nude beach. and then I look the next side and there's this elderly gentleman. So I kind of go so and I go so. And the lady just say, oh, come on, take it off. You want to know if I did?
drink coffee and mind my business. Mind my business. Drink coffee and mind my business.
Well, the lady said, oh, come on, take it off.
What did the man say?
Not, it was fast asleep.
Oh.
It was fast asleep.
I was hoping he would have said, oh, come on, keep it on.
So, that was so funny. I just get up and go in my room and say, okay, then later.
God.
You're not naming the last movie there. No, I need a name from you. You are a bright creative. I need a name for this last one about the arrogant boss. An arrogant boss loses everything and is forced to move back in with her parents. Give me a name, please. I insist.
What's that, Scott Break? Okay.
Scott never said that.
Me and Scott have a thing, man. He never say it, but him think it.
And you know that.
And me know say it, he was thinking.
That's what I said. That is half of that is already true.
I went up a little higher.
You went up
I went up a little. I went up a step, man. So I have to make way down.
You could never be talking about our boss. Is that when you said when you say you go up higher?
Which boss? Miss Grant live in her nice house with her husband and children.
Okay. So who are you talking about?
Who you talking about? I'm talking about who you're talking about. Who are you talking about?
So come here. If you don't say her,
Me?
you don't say she been misbehaving. We don't want that on morning television. She must be like me. I'm a gentleman. She must be a gentle lady.
I'm drinking coffee and mind. Why you don't want me to mind my business?